Hi everyone, this is Rainey with WhyAmIGreen.com, and today I'm going to show you the unboxing and putting together of my newest purchase, which is, let me go ahead and show you, a 52-gallon collapsible rain barrel. So let's get started. Okay, so it came in this box right here, and I already opened the box and actually put some of the parts on the table right over here, so you can see the parts that it comes with, a little bit of instructions, and actually over there is hook up for a rain gutter. I'm not going to be using it with a rain gutter right yet, but so get everything right there, and let me show you what it looks like when it's done, because guess what? Yes, I already put one together. I actually bought two of these. So going from the bottom to the top, that's what it looks like. Has down to the right, bottom right, there's an open and close spout. And just to show you close up what that looks like, here's another one. So you just turn that knob right there, open and close it, and the water comes gushing out so you can drain it. And let's get a little closer to this critter here. Let's see, we unzip it. And hard to do this with one hand while holding the camera. And there's the inside. It has a little brace inside there, but you can see it's kind of dark, and it's actually very thick material. And so that's going to be great for keeping the water cool. And let me go ahead and close this back. And over here, this is a Velcro. Well, let me go ahead and open up that. So that would be when you have your rain gutter, you have a converter kit, so you can have your rain gutter come in and go right in here. Water goes in here, fills it up, can kind of pool, and siphons out all the junk and garbage and debris, and goes right inside. Now, another thing I like about this is it has a little hose over here. I don't know if you can see that. Get back a little bit. So it has a, I could actually open that up right here. And what I'm going to do is when I put the other one together, I'm going to have a little pipe, oops, there it goes, going from this one to the other one, so I can have an overflow. The water will go in here, will overflow into the other one, so that way I'll have one bucket at least full most of the time, so I can really keep an eye on it, because these buckets will be draining into or feeding my Dutch buckets and my Alaska buckets and some other systems I'll be having on my deck out back. So let me go ahead and put this on, see if I can get it without dropping it this time. But I'm really impressed with how it works. So let's go ahead and see if we can put this one together over here. So like I said, I already opened the box, took most of the things out, but I just wanted to show you how well it's packed. All the different pipes, I guess you could say, or legs were in here. But take a look at this. The whole bucket right there in the box. Let me move this bucket out of the way. Oh no, I just kicked the bucket. Okay, so we unroll this one here and open it up. Wow, look at that. There's room to move in. So the first step is to open it up, stretch it out, because we're going to be, there we go. There's the latch. See what it looks like on the inside? Can you see inside there? Ooh. It's a really thick material. I'm very impressed with that. Now, instructions. Step 1, connect the spigots. Connect the spigots. So 1 and 1B. I want you to do that first. So let's go ahead and get the spigots. This one here goes down on the bottom. Where is it? There's a hole here. Somewhere. If you see it before me, go ahead and comment so I can read it and see where it is. Well, come on now. There's got to be a hole for it. Let me look on the other one on the sheet. I guess it's the, didn't have to have it, so it's going to be right over here. Aha. Aha. So all we do is take this part and unscrew that, which would go to a hose. And then I'm going to take this thing right here. Now, if you look at it, it kind of sticks out a little bit more on one end than the other. So I'm going to put this end on it so that way I can turn it open and close without running into the bag all the time. There we go. That simple. I'm gonna, ooh, I don't know if I get too tight here, but I want to have it facing up. And I'm going to put this back on here just so I don't lose it. So I could put a regular garden hose if I want right here. Or if I have like a small, I think that's about maybe a 1/2 inch, one of those black tubes, which I have a lot of that. Actually for the Dutch bucket system that has like the sprayers going in the top of the buckets. So I could actually slip that right on there as well. Okay, so I put that one on. And let's see. There's a hole right over here. And that's going to be for one of these critters. Okay, there's a cover. And this opens up into 2 pieces. And I'll try to get it so you can see what I'm doing. You see there's a hole here, or as we say in French here, a trou. Okay, I'm going to put that right through the hole so it comes out. And then this part here is going to screw on. That's about the easiest connector you've ever done before, huh? Or ever watched before. And now it's all set to have the cover. Now that's what I could use to connect to the other side. And there's another one. From what I remember, it's not too far from this one. Let's see, right over here. Let's put the cover on the inside for now. There's another one that comes right over here. See that? This is where I should speed up the video, right? But we're both going to suffer through it together. All right, there we get this on. And tell you, very professional, if I might say so myself, right? And ta-da! We're not done yet. Okay, so we get that there. And now, going back to the instructions. Yes, I'm one of those people that actually reads them. Let's see, number 2. There's a support legs. And let's see, we put the support legs in first, and then we do the middle one. Now, I have a bunch of support legs here, and kind of reminds me of, I think it's Sesame Street. One of these things is not like the other. This one here, if you guessed it, is shorter. That's going to go in the middle. So keep that one separate. All the others are the same size. And if you notice, one end has a big end part, and this part just has a small cap. So this one is going to be what it's going to stand on. So we're going to go ahead and find a, let's see, I'm actually going to cheat and see. Ooh, it goes in from the bottom. So we're going to go ahead to the bottom here. And if you can see this, on the bottom, there's slot right there. Can you see the slot? Can you see the slot? I don't hear you talking. There it is. So, put your finger in there to open it up a bit and put that in. Oops. It's not paying attention. There we go. Just take that, push it in there. See how simple that was? I got one leg in, and we're going to go ahead and do all the others. Instead of me showing you each one, this is we're gonna speed it up. There we go. We got all of them. And It stands up all by itself. Okay, now this one here goes in the middle. Just in case you can see, I'm going to pick this up here, and way down in the middle. Might be too dark. You see, and this is going to go right in there. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and put you back. And of course, it looks easy to put in, but it's not. It wasn't too bad. And that's what's going to hold it up on the top. And then the cover is right over here. And you see on the top of the cover, there's also a little tube there that this can go into. Oops, you know what I did? I put it upside down. But you get the idea. I'll change that later on. And you could go ahead and zip it up. And now we have 1, 2 buckets. And there we go. Our 2 rain bucket system. And just so you know, I got them from a place called Greenhouse Megastore online. And they're only about $34 each. So I think that's a really great deal. So if you need a rain bucket outside, something that's collapsible that you could take from one location to another, real easy, and kind of have a few of them in the back of your car, you can throw these right in the trunk of your car, there's an idea for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.